How to filter by color in Excel. In this tutorial, you can learn how to filter multiple colors in Excel. First, you have to go filtering option. Put your cursor any cell, then go to data and then filter. When you click filter icon, here drop down menu is coming. From this drop down menu, you can sorting by color or you can filtering by color. Sort by color. If you want yellow color sorting, just click yellow icon. Here you can see all yellow color is sorting in top position. I am going back, and if you want to sort by color, your choice red, just click red icon. Here you can see all red color is showing top position. Again back. If you want to filter by color, just you go to below filter by color and select yellow. All yellow color is only yellow color is showing. And now this is the question, how you can copy this filtered cell. Just put your cursor any cell and then Control All, then Control C, and then if you want to paste this sheet, just Control B. Now I am rearranging this, or you can enter double click or double click. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question, please comments. I will make a video for you or I will answer your question. Thank you. Bye bye.